Hi, my name is Jermaine Carr, and I'm the demonstrator for the robotics and mechatronics program here at the Ricochester campus HC Met in Junction, St. Elizabeth. We have quite a number of programs that will help steer Jamaica towards Industry 4.0, some being mechatronics, optoelectronics, drone technology, and robotics. So in drone technology, this is one that's very special, especially towards farmers. Where we can see drone technology taking off and helping farmers is in areas of irrigation, in the areas of spraying of the farms. No longer will a person be carrying a 30-pound sprayer on their back. You can use a drone to spray 1 acre land in under 20 minutes, depending on the size of the drone. You can also use that same drone to disperse fertilizers. So speeding up the process that would normally take one person an entire day. So not just in areas of farming. Drone technology can be used for photography, filming, used in the entertainment industry, also in areas of logistics. You can use the drone for delivery of packages across areas where it might be hard in terms of terrain for vehicles to go up there. And it's also a faster delivery time. But remember, Industry 4.0 is not having the idea that machines and robots will replace humans in the workforce, but instead will be there to work alongside humans and increase efficiency for a better productivity output that will drive the industry in terms of economics.